How to hide the price in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go and get to it. So first log into your Shopify store, online store, and click on themes and click on edit theme. Now from here, you're going to be able to notice that you have the prices down here. And we are just going to hide those and also the ones in the default product page, which you probably meant in the first place. But just in case you meant those as well in a collection, it's very simple. Just locate the collection within the template, click on the arrow next to it, or click on the collection itself. It really just depends on your theme. So whichever one that you did, you're going to be able to find within the product card the price option. You simply just want to click on the eye icon next to it, and this is going to basically just hide the prices of the collection. Next up, we're going to basically just do the same thing, but for the default products page. So I'm just going to go to the top, products and default product. So basically to hide the price, it's initially the same thing. You just want to find the template. This time click on product information, the arrow next to it. And you should be able to find within the details, the header option, which is going to include the price. Again, you simply just want to click on the eye icon, and it's just going to basically hide the price for you. Make sure you save, and we are pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.